Dayanand, the new Police Commissioner of Bengaluru, has identified traffic management and cybercrime as top priorities. In his statement to the press, Dayanand emphasized that the department will work with civic agencies to manage traffic more effectively. The department is yet to decide on bringing back the towing system and will study the pros and cons before submitting a report to the government. Dayanand also noted that cybercrime is a significant challenge for the police in Bengaluru, and to help reduce the burden on cybercrime police personnel, all police officials will receive training at regular stations to effectively investigate cybercrime cases.
सर